Internet, it's me. So I wanted to play Subway Surfers because I'm kind of decent at the game. So, let's see how good I really am. So I played this before, like, a lot. So, I'm just gonna get right into it. I hope you enjoy. Oh, this game actually makes me very stressed. So I haven't played it in a little while. And please don't scream at me in the comments about the coins. If anyone decides to comment, please don't scream at me about the coins. I don't like collecting the coins, I just want to get far. So, please, I say this very respectfully, please don't nag me or badger me in the comments. When is this game actually gonna get faster? Though yes, it very much stresses me out. I like to go fast. This game, I enjoy moving faster in the game. I don't know how to put it, but I just enjoy it when I can get further and faster. Yeah. So the video ends as soon as I die, or get caught, whatever you want to call it. I assume almost everyone watching the video has seen someone play Subway Surfers or maybe played it themselves. Actually, are the videos of Subway Surfers on YouTube? I don't really know. No, it would be nice. Though I doubt there actually is. I don't have a computer that's working at the moment, so I'm just playing mobile games. I think I'm gonna replay it. I know what I said, but I'm gonna replay it, I don't care. Oh, I love these games. No, I really love YouTube, and thank you for whoever subscribed, and yeah, I'm very thankful for everything. I'm just thankful for the views and the subscriber, or maybe subscribers, I don't know, by the time I upload this, there might be more than one, so, well, yeah, thank you, everyone. Whether you like the video or not, thank you for just watching. Woo, okay, it's getting a little faster now. Okay, yeah, nope. Shoot. Oh no, I'm gonna run out now, okay. Whew. Oh no. Keys. Ooh, Yessie. Thank goodness I got the jetpack. I thought it was gonna crash. Yes! I wasn't concentrating. Okay, I'm done. Ooh, new high score. Nice. Okay, well, I'll see you guys later.